सही सही। और बताइए, सब बढ़िया?
मैं ठीक। हाँ जी, हाँ जी। बट ये आप इतना तैयार होके क्यों बैठे हो?
जी बेसिकली मैं एक बिजनेसमैन हूँ, तो बातचीत करता हूँ लोगों से, कोशिश करता हूँ यहाँ पे कुछ लोग इनरोल करें और मेरे बिजनेस का पार्ट बने, राइट? बिकॉज आई मेक मनी, my money big, my money tall, I gotta have to make more money, so I gotta have to hire more people. That's how industries work. Would you like to be a part of it?
Okay,
It
but
would all,
what is it about?
it's about, trafficking, basically. That's the type of thing I'm trafficking.
Trafficking?
I signals. Basically, I go out and I make products for traffic signals. You know, the big machines, then lights, the things you see on the road. Trafficking. I make products for
Okay, so
trafficking. Yeah.
you make traffic lights, by the way.
Yeah, traffic lights, signboards, all that kind of stuff. So like it doesn't really require a lot of skills. You just need to have some people, and you have to tell them what they have to do with the machines they have. Right?
Nice, nice.
Yeah. Would you be
Basically, I'm
interested?
no, no, no. Thank you so much for offering, but I'm already an architect, by the way.
You're
So
an
I'm
architect.
practicing.
Ah. Oh. So you must gonna become a builder.
No, builder is different. I'm an architect.
Oh, you're an architect. So you basically design the styles and you know. Oh, all right, I get it. I get it. It has good money, but
Yeah.
not as good as opening an OnlyFans account and selling your body parts. I think that would make you a real millionaire. What do you think about that?
What?
Are you willing to quit your job to become an OnlyFans model? Because that would really look good on you. I think you got the skills. What do you think about that? I'll
No,
be
no,
the
no,
pimp. I'll help you. I'll be the manager. Don't worry, leave
no, no,
everything
no.
on me. Just gotta have to take the private parts pics and you gotta have to put it on in the demo. Yeah, send them to me first.
Bro, bro, chill out, chill out. I don't have any fucking interest in doing that. So
I mean, yeah, if you do that first, like you're gonna make good money. First of all, second, you
I
will have some good
want to.
reputation in the society.
No, I don't want to. I'm earning good in architecture, so I don't want to ruin my image like that.
No, no, your image.
Wrong
It's
with
just it's just a concept in your mind. You are thinking about it, that what people would think about you. Think about the money. Think about how you will be able
no,
to live after that.
no, no, no. I don't want to earn money
A
like that.
Cullinan, a Rolly. See? Rolls Royce, Cullinan, everything. You can have everything. Big mansions, apartments, everything. More money, more swimming pools.
Are you fucking insane? I don't want
No.
to do that.
Well, I'm telling you that you could actually become good at it.
No,
That
I don't want. Chill out.
you might be able to
Just
grow some skills at clicking good pictures of your body parts in order to manipulate others so that they could buy your products, the pictures,
what is
basically
wrong?
the products.
What? Chill, chill. I don't
I'm
want to.
just a. All right, I get it. I get it. I'm not forcing you. I'm just telling you the advantages
No,
that you
no,
might get.
no. How could you even suggest that, yaar? पागल है क्या भाई?
No, it's a thing outside. You guys have narrow mentality. You're narrow minded. You gotta have to do this.
What?
Otherwise, the foreign people, yes,
What?
these
First of
people,
all, first of
yeah,
all, I love what I do. I love my profession, which is an architecture. I love doing
I
that, and
get
I'm
it.
good with it. Keep your
But
suggestion to
is it
yourself, or
paying you
maybe
enough? Is it paying you enough? Is it paying you enough? Tell me,
yeah,
is it paying you enough?
paying me good. It's paying me good. I don't
Do
want
you
to
have a.
showcase my body. I would rather do it with my husband
Do
rather
you
showing
have.
it to anyone.
Your husband. Tell me one thing. Do you have a Rolls Royce? Tell me one thing. Do you have a Rolls Royce?
I do have Fortuner, which I have earned, ठीक है, and I'm proud of it. ठीक
Fortuna,
है?
I mean, why? Why would you do that to yourself? You
Bro,
look
look
you
at
look
your
good.
fucking house. Look at your
I
fucking
live in a
house.
poor place, so I don't attract negative entities. Otherwise, people would judge me on the basis of on how rich I am. I could have this good background,
Listen,
good mansion. I could have
listen,
anything I want, but I
listen,
choose to
listen.
be here
Maybe
in
you
this
can
room.
suggest that. Maybe you can suggest that this profession or this kind of thing to your mother, so that she can earn some good money and get some brains
My
from
mother
you.
is old. She's not gonna. No one's gonna buy her pictures if she would do that. But you are young. You could do that. You're only 25 or something. I don't know. You could get good money, but soon you're gonna be old and you won't be able to sell that. You know, you won't be able to
I
sell
don't
your
want
body
to sell
parts.
that. What is wrong with you? What is fucking wrong with you? I don't want to showcase
Money,
my fucking
money.
body.
I mean, money is
Man,
gonna get
are
you
you
everywhere.
insane? Listen, listen, listen. It's my personal body, and I don't want to showcase to anyone but myself. Okay? Do
But
you
your
get
body
that?
is
Why the fuck are
beauty.
you
It's
forcing?
beauty. You gotta have to show it. You gotta have to show it.
I
It's like
don't want
you.
to. There's a difference
Why?
between showing off.
Why?
No,
Tell me
I
why.
don't want.
What is
Listen,
the
it's my
reason?
personal choice not to do that. Okay?
Why
Will
is
you
the
just
personal
shut up?
choice? Like
Can we
personal.
talk? Can we just talk on some other fucking topic? Why the
Yeah.
hell are you tripping me out?
All right. Let's talk about some
What
other
is
topic.
wrong with
Yeah.
you, yaar? Suggest
Alright.
that to your sister, and maybe she can earn
I
some
don't
money
have
or
any
whatever.
sister. Otherwise, I would have already put her in this line. I don't have no
Oh my
sister.
god, what an insane guy you are.
I mean, why? It's money, right? Money.
I don't want to earn money. Fucking just there are things beside money, man. What is wrong
There
with
are
you?
no other things beside money. How could you live? How could you survive? You're gonna be and end up as a beggar. What if the guy kicks you out of your job? How are you gonna survive then, huh?
What do you think that every billionaire is somewhere has this on OnlyFans account?
Only every woman does. Most of the women are
Oh
doing the
God, what is
business.
wrong?
Yeah. Or you
Shut
could
up,
become a
just
porn
shut up.
star. You could become a porn star.
No, I don't want to. Just shut up. Just
All
fucking
right.
shut up.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that.
No, what the fuck is wrong with you, yaar?
Oh, don't.
All I'm asking you to just bloody change the topic, and you're again and again triggering me out that you can sell your body. I don't want to sell
Guess
my body
what?
and fucking earn my
Guess.
money.
Okay. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
What?
Die as a slave. You're gonna die as a slave.
Okay, I'll die as a slave, man.
Yeah.
And you'll die up, and you'll end up being alone, fucking in your fucking. room.
No, I got money. I have money. I'm not alone. You see all this money?
Where is that? Where's the money, bro? You're just.
I don't have
beggar.
it sitting behind me. Otherwise, people that might attract negative entities like you.
Such an insane guy, fucking. What is wrong with you, yaar? कैसे लोग हैं यार?
Money,
You're psycho.
money made my mind go crazy. Money makes my mind go crazy. And I see money, I see you. I'm not seeing you. I'm seeing a product to make money off of it. You see, that's what I saw at the first place when I saw your face. I thought maybe you would be interested in my business and we could. Don't show that to me. Don't show that to me, please. That's not gonna do nothing. Yeah, you can't do nothing with that.
भाई तू चूतिया है पता है? तू अपना इलाज करा.
अब एक प्लेट भोसड़ा लगा दीजिए. जानिए दीजिए आप बिजनेस को. एक प्लेट भोसड़ा ही लगा दीजिए, मसाला डाल के एकदम चिकन तंदूरी टाइप माइक्रोवेव में गर्म करके रहने दीजिए. आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा बिजनेस. आप भोसड़ा ही भेजिए लोगों को. यही रात को भी आपको पति को भोसड़ा लगाना पड़ेगा. लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. That's not the way you do business, bitch. That's not the way to do it.
क्या पागल है यार ये? सही में यार मेरा तो दिन बन गया है यार. मैं काम करके थक के आई थी, एक पागल से मिल गया पंगा मेरे को.
काम करके आई थी ना, देखा काम ही कर सकती हो आप. मजदूरी कर सकती हो. सर जी एक पैसा दे दीजिए, थोड़ा सा 10 आज इंक्रीमेंट लग सकता है क्या सर जी? थोड़ा सा इंक्रीमेंट लगा दीजिए प्लीज. वो मेरे को पति के लिए ना ब्रांडेड कॉन्डम लेना था. पति के लिए उसको मैं थक गई. वही 2 रुपए का कॉन्डम चढ़ा के ब्रांडेड कॉन्डम लेना है प्लीज. यही करना लाइफ में, और कुछ नहीं कर सकती तुम.
भाई तू जिस भी कोने में है ना, तेरे को वहीं आके ठोक दूंगी मैं. समझ में आया तेरे को?
यार
अरे
बाहर
तेरे
बॉडीगार्ड
बेइज्जत-
रखिए ना. पहले तुम मेरे बॉडीगार्ड से छुड़ोगी, अंदर आओगी मुझसे छुड़ोगी. समझ रही हो ना? ये नहीं चलेगा. बाहर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड खड़े हैं. मैंने क्या बोला? बॉडी शेम किया मैंने. बॉडी शेम किया. तब से बिजनेस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना अपन. तो बॉडी शेम नहीं करने का.
तब से गाली बक रहा है तू मुझे. तब से गाली बक
गाली
रहा है भोसड़ी.
तमीज से बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. प्यार से बात कर रहा हूँ. तू कौन है?
कौन तू चूती है? साले तेरी
मैं-
माँ चूती होगी ना. इसलिए
तेरे दो अपने बाप के टट्टे बेचेगी ना. वो बेच के इतना पैसा आएगा ना, उतना मैं मुट्ठी मार के भगा देता हूँ पैसा. समझ रहे हैं आप? पैर से मुट्ठी मार दो ऐसे.
हाँ चल कर और पैसा मार निकाल. चूती
पैसा निकालूंगा ना तो तेरे मुंह पे मारूंगा ना. सामने तो आ, पहले वेस्ट थोड़ी करूंगा. मुंह पे मारूंगा ना.
शक्ल देख घनचक्कर
शक्ल
जैसे.
पहले पैसा. बेटा पैसा बोलता है, शक्ल नहीं बोलती. जब पैसा आता है ना तो चूप पट के चौसठ हो जाती है. रंडिया आगे चिल्लाती है, वाओ कम पैसा है ये. मैं मिलाओ उससे और मुट्ठी मारो उन पे पैसों वाला. ये क्या मजा आ गया. ये और थोड़ा पैसा दो. ये मैं सावन नहीं तो इससे तो मैं नहा रही हूँ. वाओ क्या पैसा है ये. That's called fucking money, bitch. My semen is money, bitch. Yeah. You will never get a chance to. Alright, I think I've done enough. I'm sorry for that.